Hello everybody, welcome to my blog, coming at you from Arizona, where actually it's a little bit chilly where I'm at right now. We even have some snow on the ground, still left over from a couple days ago, and my work shed isn't heated, so I'm kind of bundled up today. I'm actually today working on not a piece to sell, but a piece of home decor for my own home. And I'm going to go through how to turn a shutter or door slatted door that looks pretty tore up like this, and how to turn it into a beautiful home decor piece. So stay tuned for that and you can see the results. Thanks.